So let's take a less than a 2-minute ride in the 1928 Phantom 1 Rolls Royce. Finally got it all figured out and working well and driving well. Thanks to my friend Tim Jane that helped me with the problem I had with the vacuum tank. Could not get that thing working to save my life. Had it all over, tried all kinds of stuff and couldn't do it. But Tim James helped me figure it out, and we got it cruising now. Just made some adjustments to the oiling system and the timing, and Tim James gave me some advice on how to do all that, and now we got it running down the road. So hopefully we'll have some good memories, and we'll make some history driving with this car. And in June it'll be the first time I've ever been to a Rolls-Royce national meet. We're going to take this car there, drive around a little bit and enjoy it, let others enjoy it, and hopefully let some others drive it if they like to. That's what we were stormed for people to enjoy. So anyway, enjoy the ride. It's less than 2 minutes. And don't forget to respond and like my YouTube channel to see some more updates on what we're doing. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Good day. See you on the road.